lovelies. Today we are making my most favorite one bowl chocolate cake with warm ganache frosting. It's super easy and delicious. Let's start. So in a bowl add sugar, vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, salt, baking powder, baking soda, flour and cocoa powder. So practically I have taken all the dry ingredients in a large bowl and I have mixed them well. Now we come to the wet ingredients, that is oil and water. And water should be warm. Just mix them together and then put it in the dry ingredients. Whisk gently, do not overmix. It should just come together and should be a smooth batter. See, it's very smooth and I really like it. Now you can prepare a pan. I have taken an 8-inch round pan and lined it with parchment paper. Fold in the batter and then we have to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius in an electric oven for around 35 to 40 minutes. Now we prepare the ganache. Take cream and cooking chocolate in a bowl. Heat in the microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute till we achieve this smooth and silky consistency. You can find the detailed recipe in caption. See, the sponge looks really beautiful. It's soft, it's moist, it's fudgy. Now we'll pour the warm ganache on top of the cake and then I'll level it with the help of an offset spatula. You can also make it drip from the sides of the cake. That looks really beautiful. See, this is smooth and this has been completely leveled. Now you can decorate the top of the cake with berries or any seasonal fruit of your choice. I used frozen berries here. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and happy baking.